Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to explore the exciting world of online money making opportunities. Whether you are looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, we have got you covered. So without further ado, let's dive into our top 10 legitimate ways to make money online. Freelancing. Number 1 on our list is freelancing. If you have a particular skill or expertise such as writing, graphic design, programming, or marketing, freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr offer a fantastic opportunity to showcase your talents. Clients from all around the world are searching for skilled individuals like you to complete their projects. So, why not turn your passion into profit? Online service. Next up, we have online service. Many companies are willing to pay for your opinions and feedback. Websites like SurveyJunkie, Swagbucks, and Windell Search connect you with surveys that match your interests. While it may not make you rich overnight, completing surveys can be a simple and fun way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. E-commerce and dropshipping. Moving on to number 3, we have e-commerce and dropshipping. With platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, setting up an online store has never been easier. You can sell your own products or utilize dropshipping, where your partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping. This way you can focus on marketing and growing your business without the hassle of managing physical inventory. Online tutoring. Number 4 on our list is online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can share your knowledge and help others by becoming an online tutor. Platforms like VIPKid, Tutor.com, and Teachable connect you with students from around the globe. It's a rewarding way to make money while making a positive impact on someone's education. Affiliate marketing. Next, let's talk about affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services through your website, blog, or social media platforms, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Companies like Amazon, ClickBank, and CJ Affiliate offer attractive affiliate programs with a wide range of products to choose from. Content creation and YouTube. Moving on to number 6, we have content creation and YouTube. If you have a passion for creating videos or sharing valuable information, YouTube can be a goldmine for you. By consistently creating engaging content and building a loyal audience, you can monetize your channel through advertising, brand sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Online writing and blogging. Number 7 brings us to online writing and blogging. If you have a way with words, you can turn your writing skills into a profitable online business. Start your own blog or contribute to established websites and get paid for your articles. You can also explore self-publishing ebooks or becoming a freelance copywriter. The possibilities are endless. Virtual assistants. Next up, we have virtual assistants. With the rise of remote work, many entrepreneurs and businesses are looking for virtual assistants to help them with various tasks. From managing social media accounts to organizing schedules and handling customer support, being a virtual assistant allows you to work from the comfort of your home while earning a steady income. Online trading and investing. Number 9 on our list is online trading and investing. While it requires careful research and knowledge, trading stocks, cryptocurrencies, or forex can be a profitable venture. Platforms like Robinhood, eToro, and Coinbase offer user-friendly interfaces to get you started. However, please remember that investing involves risk, and it's important to do thorough research before diving in. Online courses and coaching. Finally, we have online courses and coaching. If you are an expert in a particular field or have valuable knowledge to share, creating and selling online courses can be a lucrative option. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Teachable provide the tools and audience to reach learners worldwide. Additionally, you can offer one-on-one coaching sessions to provide personalized guidance and support. And there you have it. our top 10 legitimate ways to make money online. Whether you are a freelancer, content creator, or aspiring entrepreneur, then there are endless opportunities waiting for you in the digital world. We hope you found these ideas helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.